Hello, friends and family. Welcome to Mr. Nice Entertainment TV. Welcome to Nice Television. How are you doing? How is your family? How is work? How is business? I hope everything is fine. So, if so, thank be to God Almighty, our Creator, for His wonderfully work for our life and family. Welcome to Nice TV once again, and welcome to a brand new program of the day, which we title The Origin of the Word Zaiki. Today, we're going to be discussing the word Zaiki. The word Zaiki is a word that most of the Esan sons and daughters now use to greet our kings. Is this word Zaiki properly a word? We are going to be seeing this today. So we urge you listener, to listen, not just to listen, learn, and remember less. Stay tuned. We are going to be displaying everything, how the word Zaiki came into existence, how it came, and how we are still using it all till date. If you haven't heard it before, today you're going to hear everything, and I believe when you hear them, you can tell as a story or as well a history too. Here is a great history. We all his sons and daughters need to know about our kingdoms all over his land. Here we say the history, how come about Zaiki, is what we are going to be displaying to our Esan sons and daughters. We all need to know how came about the word Zaiki that we now use in Esan to greet our kings. Great Esan, Esan oye, Esan no ide. This is Esan. This is us. This is our culture. This is our tradition. This is us. Great Esan, Esan oye, Esan no ide. Wherever you are, be proud of his son. This is what made us. This is where we come from. Proudly his son. Why do we greet our kings? Image. Zaiki, and the Zaiki which we all know is not a sound language. This is what we are going to treat today. Why do we greet our kings? Zaiki. The Zaiki we all know is not in Esan diary, neither in our language, but where did it come from? Let's see. If you are among the people that have been wondering, thinking, how come about this word Zaiki? I come to display it with you as well, which say, here is the reason why. I'm about to tell you the history in a little minute. I hope you have some minute with us. Please, we would like you to read with us. And also, make known today who cannot read and who cannot hear us very well. Thank you. In every autonomous village, town in Esan had a traditional ruler known as Onoji. In pre-colonial era, the Onoji was the lord and the law in the kingdom, or the law in his kingdom. As a mark of honor and reference, the Onoji, which we all know in the other word the chief, was never addressed by his real names. His subject addressed him as Irame or Irame or Abame. This all means my father. Irame, 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 Abame. They all mean my father. They are the same thing. And his children were referred to as Inirame or Ivirame. All that, however, changed followed the introduction of Islam to some part of Islam, precisely Irua and Iwo. After the introduction of Islam, the word Zaki, which is Hausa word for lion, was introduced. In here we said Zaki, not yet Zaiki. Zaki in Hausa land mean lions. And it gradually became the general salutary title for all Esan images all over Islam. It is believed that the word Zaiki was coined from Zaki, which is the Hausa word for lion, as earlier stated, although the Hausas call their king Saki. Now we are knowing where the word Zaiki is coming from. Given the ease with which foreign influence infiltrated native customs and values in those days, there is a modicum of reason to concede that Zaiki is not an Esan word, as it is not part of the indigenous vocabularies of any Esan dialect. Bearing in mind that even the world's most popular languages, English, French, Hindi, Arabic, etc., have borrowed lexicons in their vocabularies. The use of Zaiki is not altogether an abnormality, since the parent word Zaki means lion, which in itself is a befitting metaphor for an Esan king. Over and beyond every iota of doubt, every Esan king commands the boldness and respect of a lion. Esan axioms such as I no jetine, I gboje, Ede no je, and Eide no je, etc. lend emphasis to the supremacy and indomitability of the energy. Now, for those of you who have been thinking and wondering the word Zaiki, where did it originated from? Today, you have a clear understanding that the word Zaiki was derived from the word Zaki, which the Hausa people called lion. So this is where we sing the word Zaiki. I can say, let's call it a day from now. We hope to see you in our next episode. Pray for you. Our God should keep you safe and sound. We'll see you once again. Bye. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.